You and I are gonna temporarily swap bodies.
Swap bodies?
It's a super swap that'll make your jaw drop.
You better treat my face with some respect.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, Ohio, southeastern Madison County, Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Mount Sterling, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockbourne, Derby, Lily Chapel, Georgesville, Darbydale, Big Plain, and Wrightsville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 100. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 107, and near mile marker 112. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.